Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I say that at work all the time, and now it's like stuck because we work with internationally. It's inclusive. I like it. Don't get me wrong, but as an influencer, well, no, I guess influencers should be inclusive. So yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my fans. I have two of you on YouTube. So yeah, remember, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. So for you who don't know, my name is Robert of plant fame, dentist fame, Robert Toria fame. Shout out, shout out BB Disney. And yeah, this is my unboxing video. So I had to Google it, but I have the Karma as my boyfriend package. My ticket was more than my monthly mortgage, so that was cool. But I'm excited. It's people are paying thousands of dollars, so I paid what I had to pay. Bye, Dennis. Sorry, that was my dog. She was just walking away. I'm very needy and I need her attention. Anyway, so this is the box that came in the mail, and it didn't actually come in the mail. My friend dropped it off. This is pretty cool. I like it. Oh, the inside's really nice. Cute. So, let's see. Oh, a poster. Oh no, it's an envelope. Let's see what's inside. This is cool. Okay, so inside we have a couple of like prints. This one's really cool, except I don't know. The red is obviously for red. That's Fearless, and that's I think Folklore. No, I think that's Evermore. But you can't really see the red. That's cool. Then we have this one. This just looks like Instagram filters. I've definitely done that before. Oh, this one's really cool. Others, I actually really like this one. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. Well, this is Taylor Swift saying, "Please, George Lucas, put me in the next Star Wars film. J.J. Abrams, I'm here." This one's actually pretty cool. It says June 9th to June 10th, 2023, Detroit, Michigan, which is when I'm going. I like that one's a custom one. The other ones are not. So we have this it's a bag. It is a reusable tote bag. Let's see, it has does feel like there's not that many cities. I know she's doing multiple shows in them, but let's see. I'm at Detroit. So this is what I don't get. She was in Philadelphia like a month ago, but she's doing Pittsburgh after Detroit. So she like did Philadelphia, Massachusetts, New Jersey, Illinois, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Pittsburgh, then Minnesota, and then Ohio, Kansas City, Colorado, Washington, California. I guess there's some sense to it, but it has, yeah, so that's cool. Always love a good tote. Although I will say, I read that like it takes like the energy and materials used to create one tote is equivalent to like 1,000 plastic bags. So you should never actually buy new totes, only existing ones, because like it's gonna take you so long to recover. And I actually have a bigger one. Oh. I was like, it's my grocery bag. It's from American Eagle. Same thing. I mean, I bring it to Target all the time for my groceries. You save 5 cents every time you bring a reusable bag. Up to 4, so 20 cents. So like, even if I'm buying just like a little snack, yeah, do it. Yeah, I mean, ban plastic bags at grocery stores. Like, I hate single-use plastic. So I have my reusable water bottle with an avocado sticker that my friend designed. Some unboxing videos make me thirsty. So we now have this box. The most patient human being over here. Oh, my dog thought it was treats. Hi, Dennis. So we have a pin. That's cool. Oh, and then underneath the pin we have, looks like a sticker or a bookmark. The Eras. Oh, our ticket. VIP ticket. Seat 13. Of course, I would be seat 13. I think on like Reputation or 1989, I was seat 13. Oh, this is not an actual real ticket. So it says your date, you can't really see it, but it says Date 2023. Time 1313. Love that she used military time. Venue, your favorite city. Well, I like Detroit. I wouldn't say it's my favorite city, but convenience. And then we have, postcards. Oh, and this is postcards is a Reputation, Debut. I bet it's in order. Fearless, but Taylor's version Fearless. Speak Now. Doesn't look like Taylor's version Speak Now, but subscribe to my channel and I'll send you a postcard. Tell me what your favorite album is. If I was getting a postcard for myself, it would be Folklore. Or Red, or 1989, or Evermore. And I really actually like Midnights too, but anyway, so that's that. And so we're almost done. We have this deck of cards here. Oh, by the way, this is like, so the tote came in, the postcard thingy came in, and now the deck of cards. I don't think this is actually a deck of cards. She talks about cards. Oh. Okay, so it is, to activate your device, remove this tab on the show. So Reputation and 1989, she did bracelets. So I guess this is the new bracelet, which I don't want to wear this around my neck. But comes with a lanyard, which might be my new Keys lanyard. But it's like, it just says VIP, and like I feel like anyone could make this. So I don't know if I'm actually VIP, but I don't think I'm meeting Taylor Swift because I don't think she's meeting anyone. I don't blame her. Like, I saw her in Reputation and she like went through the crowd and people were like yanking on her. She was very nice, but if someone yanked on me, I'd be like, please don't yank on me. But that's it. That's the box. It's pretty fun. Yeah, so my concert's on Friday. First concert since her and Maddie Healy broke up. To, praise whatever entity you believe in. This would be great. Also, fun fact, until today, I thought his name was Matt Healy. That's how insignificant he actually is. But, okay, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Ooh, 7 minutes, 13 seconds.